Hey guys, it's Jess from My Magical Planner, and today I have a little bit of a subscription opening for you. So I have Vanilla Paper Co.'s October subscription, and I love the black envelope. I think that's really cool. So this was September's kit, and let's open it up and see what we got. Maybe. I don't know what they use as sticky for these things, but man, it's good stuff. You know, maybe I'll just slit the package. Maybe that's easier. Let's see, did I go deep enough? It's always that. I want to go deep enough to cut the outside layer, but not damage the stickers inside. Oh, there we go. Okay. Ooh, I like the little ribbons. Those will be nice for Christmas. All right, let's take a look here. I love the thank you little emblem there. It totally matches the one outside, which is a nice little detail. Oh, it totally matches the one on the outside of the envelope. So that's a nice little detail. Pulled up nicely. What do I want to do with it? Do I want to peel it all the way off? There we go. We'll just stick it right here. Okay. Before I get into the details of showing you everything here, let's take a second and just talk about the subscription in a whole. So it's called Kit Plus because you get a kit plus you get a foiled sheet of Some Nature in all foil colors. So you get it in gold, rose gold, silver, and hollow, which is really nice. And your kit will also come with both of these, like the headers and icons. So it's really a complete kit, plus you get your freebie. So the subscription runs about $20 a month. I think shipping is about $5. So I would expect around $25 when you get billed annually for this. The billing for it goes out on the 1st of the month, and you can sign up between the 1st and the 7th of the month, and then the kits get mailed around the 15th. So you have them by the end of that month. So it's just labeled with October 2021. And it's a really, like, I love these tones. I especially love this like blue gray tone in there. It's so, so pretty. The foiling is in gold, which is really nice. And you just have little specks of it here and there. Like there's, I think Gathered Plans calls it like fuzzy foil in this area. You have a foiled bow, you have like some of the florals foiled in these ones. I love this little scalloped at the corner. I'm loving that detail that people are putting in some of the kits right now. And then you have headers down here. You have some layering elements, and I like these. You have some 1/4 boxes. No, these are probably 1/3 boxes. Sorry. These are half boxes, and these are 4th boxes. 2 habit trackers, the Monday through Sunday list here, and then you have checklist for, I think, all 7 days. Then you have a checklist page with some little 4th boxes down here at the bottom. Ooh, I think this is a different format. So you have more boxes on here. So you have quite a few half boxes actually. And then you have these 2 rolls of, I think those are 3rd boxes. And then you have these ones, which I don't know that I've seen a kit from her have those. I haven't ordered in a while because I have so many kits right now, but that is really cool. So then you get this page with all of your kind of headers with words, we'll say. So you have your to-dos here, you have a to clean, a workout, dinner. I think it just says dinners, not our dinner, not dinners. This week, and then you have 7 todays, you have 7 extras, you have a next week, and a birthday. And then, of course, you have 7 of the meal icons here. You have 4 of the TVs. You have 2 of these little delivery boxes, which you could totally use for Happy Meal. You have a computer for work. You have a grocery symbol. You have this little bow that you could use for anything. Same with the tack. You have a telephone there. You have a mail icon and a gift. So it's pretty much covering anything you might need. And then here's your bottom washi. You get 2 strips. One of them is usually a more kind of neutral and one's more floral usually. And it has like that fuzzy foil type feel to it. You get another full box here, and your Monday through Sundays are over here. So that's the full kit. And then of course there's the freebie. And then it looks like for this month, it's these overlays. So I'm thinking these will be amazing for like Christmas layouts and stuff, because that's what the bow makes me think of. So here it is in gold, rose gold, silver, and hollow. The part that I love most about the subscription is actually these 4 sheets. I think out of all of my subscriptions, this is what I use the most, is this 4 sheets. So I've canceled my subscription for a couple months just because I have so many kits and I want to be able to buy kits still, that I didn't want to have so many that it becomes overwhelming. So I've cut myself off from their subscription, at least for the time being, but it's not because of a quality issue or that I don't necessarily like things. It's more of I don't want to get overwhelmed with stuff, and so I'm choosing some other options. So I do have one more kit coming, though. I'll get the November kit, but I'm skipping December. I feel like December is going to be a little crazy for shipping anyhow. That's all I have for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that and that was helpful. If you do have questions about Vanilla Paper Co.'s subscription that I didn't answer, feel free to ask them in the comments. And if I don't know the answer, I will reach out and find the answer for you. Anyhow, that's all I have. And I hope you guys are having a great day. So I'll see you guys later. Bye.